Hey, I'm Dr. Miner, and today I'm here with Larissa, and she has a silver filling that I understand you've had for quite some time.
Yeah, I've had it since I was 17, but it's starting to get a lot more sensitive with air, and then also I'm a clencher at night, and I can feel it starting to get a lot more twingy when I bite down. So.
Okay, so the thing with the silver fillings is while they may last a while, they tend to expand and then crack and break teeth. Right, so this could be the beginning of a crack forming. So we're going to take out the silver, and we're going to put in a regular tooth color filling. All right, so with taking out this filling, right, typically you have to numb somebody up, but since we're going to use the laser, right, we have a way to use the laser to desensitize the tooth, and we still have to use the handpiece to take the silver out. You know, unfortunately the laser doesn't take that out, or otherwise that'd be awesome. But we're going to desensitize the tooth, take the filling out with the handpiece, and once the filling's out, we're going to clean it up with the laser, put the new filling in. So we got done and got that filling out and got the new one in. And how'd it go for you?
Great. Yeah, I had a couple twinges here or there, but I mean, total amazed by how the filling went. Totally different from when I was a kid. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we had to use the handpiece to get the silver out, but we desensitized it. Do you feel anything with the desensitizing?
A little cold, but other
cold?
than that, that's about it. Yeah.
Okay, and then when we were getting the filling out, did you have anything with that?
I that's when I had the twinges.
Little twinge?
The old twinge here or there.
So, but nothing like being numb and
No, not
and
at all.
poked with
Yeah.
the shot.
Yeah, even the twinge, I'll take that. It was like barely a
Okay.
twinge, so yeah.
And then, how does it feel now? Like when you bite on it, how's it feel?
Feels normal. Feels like before.
See, and that's what's awesome with not having to numb people, is we can tell, right, if it's high, you know, we can adjust it some more, and, right, we checked it a few times and got it just right, so it feels good?
Yeah, back to normal.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.